There we go. Okay, now we got both TikTok and YouTube running. Okay. Should be fine. I don't think it's gonna lag, so there it is. Okay, and the stream is already rolling. Let me quickly put this tab on the other screen. And there we go. And now I also have the chats. Perfect. I'm a little bit late, but still in time. I'm gonna quickly go and send the link to the stream into the chat so you can so everybody can see it. Tack. I just hope that every audio is in order.
Is there a CSGO skin that you want so badly, but it's just too expensive?
Oh, just realized that my headphones weren't plugged in. Okay, I got the link to the stream, putting it into Discord real quick. Hey, there we go. Whew. I think now we're ready. I don't think my chat on YouTube is updating. Let me just quickly refresh the page, because I see it on my phone, but I don't see it on YouTube. Hey, there we go. Elektroshoka Jeppe. Pickle. Tofan. How you doing? Good morning. You're probably from the US or North America, or South America, because it's very dark out here for like 3 hours already. You cut all your hair? Yeah, I basically just cut my hair pretty short. Cheapest haircut I've ever gotten. My girlfriend did it, so it's pretty good actually. Just went 9mm over the top and 6mm on the sides, and amazing. What's up, Cole? How you doing, man? How is life in Ohio? Dark from 2 p.m. in the winter in Lithuania, and not quite 2 p.m. You're exaggerating, because I literally live one country over, so it's more like 4:50, 5 p.m. in reality. I think, yeah, it's like 4:50 when it gets dark. In Finland, when I was there, it got dark at 3 p.m. It's crazy. Can't imagine what happens past the polar circle. Well, today I would like to ask you to smash the like button, first of all. Second is, I'm working on a video, actually. Let me show you a spoiler, like the thumbnail, because I already made the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. CS2 Float Explained. I don't know, I think I did a pretty decent job on the thumbnail, but hopefully the video itself is gonna be good as well, because, yeah, it's 8 minutes, everything explained about floats, as far as I could think about it, and yeah. The video's already recorded, audio is edited, just gotta finish the visuals, and tomorrow I can upload it. I'm in the first exam week, and Deadly Sick is going great. Oh, amazing. Amazing. I live in the Arctic Circle. What the hell? In like Sweden? Really? Probably gets dark at like always, as in like always dark, never daytime actually. We can do a couple of things today. One of those things is I can take a look at your inventories, and I'm curious what people are investing into currently, because the market has kind of turned around and is performing a little bit better than in the previous months and weeks, because over the past month some skins have lost like 20% value, and they recovered a lot in the last week. So I'm looking forward to all that, but let me just quickly get you my trade link, so you can just send me like a random trade. I'm not gonna accept it, but for the purpose of me getting to see your inventory, and it's just the easiest way for us to do it. Let me just put it in chat. Send a random trade, and I will react to your inventory. And you can mention what type of inventory you have. Like, is your inventory about investing? Are you flipping things? I'd pin it in chat, and also smash the like button. summer, in the summer sun never sets. Amazing. Honestly, I don't even know if that's good. Because nighttime is pretty cool in the summer as well. New content, yeah. And yesterday I uploaded a video, a short. If you haven't seen it, it's on my channel currently. It's just a short about the CS2 market state and how it's doing. Also, you saw the thumbnail for the stream. Honestly, my best creation in the sense that it's a little funny. This is the thumbnail. I just cut out the go and put a 2 over it and reuse the old thumbnail. Because why not? Yeah. Here's the short. The previous short that I made was like middle of September, so it's quite good that I started making it again. And honestly, I want to upload a video every single day for the month of December, because that's exactly what I did 3 years ago. So wish me good luck. I'll try to do that. Okay, here we go. We already have a couple people sending offers. Electro is the first one, and I'm just gonna go one by one and cancel them as I go, because yeah. Good luck, have fun. Thank you. It's just bad. You will go get some things out of storage units. Okay. GTA 6 will come faster than my gut knife fade will sell. I'll tell you a fun story in a couple minutes. Okay, let's take a look at these inventories. Wait, that's not what I wanted to click. That's literally me looking at the trade. Electroshockers. Okay. Inventory. I'm gonna have to go to Google Chrome real quick because I just forgot. I need to do it from here because all the extensions. And while I am at it, I can just take this page over there as well. Getting a lot of trade offers all of a sudden. Okay, I assume it's not the TF2 inventory you want me to look at. Okay. Price, expensive to cheap, let's sort them. I hope that the extensions work currently, because if they don't, kinda sucks. Let's see, I'll refresh it. I think I have like 2 extensions on currently. Maybe I should turn off some of them, because there's no point having 2 at once. Come on. Also, let me just quickly go and change the view on my stream, because I have a better capture. Like, not this one, but not this one. Wait. No, not this one. Not this one. Is it this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. Okay. Maybe I should rename them, because... Okay, how do I rename? Browser view capture. There we go. Wonderful. Okay, send that down. Also, I hope it's not lagging. I already have my good internet, so I should not have any problems with the internet. What's up, Yup? How you doing? Refresh, I sent you one. Yeah, let me take a look at at all of them in order. Okay, it seems that the browser extension doesn't want to work currently, so I'm gonna have to do it by hand, which sucks a little bit, but it's fine. Hopefully you don't have too much in your inventory. Card Knight sent me a bunch of random skins for like 2 of my most expensive knives. No thank you. I'll check with Electroshockers first. Okay. Wait, I didn't accept your friend request? Let me just accept it real quick. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it here anyway. First few items, I think they're just random items you're trading, because there's nothing expensive at all. They're 3-cent items, literally a bunch of cases you got as drops potentially. It looks like it, at least. And I'm trying to understand what is the main thing you're doing on your inventory. But it seems you have some items you're trading, but as you mentioned, it's a little hard to sell stuff like that. Like, what do you have? Got knife, 94% factory new stat track. Yeah, I think that's gonna be hard to sell for overpay, because I assume you're trying to get overpay. So yeah, um, the most funny thing about my presentation is that I presented it in the conference, and their advisor, who's also written as a co-author, has no idea what I made. Norm. Uh, my presentation was like weird in a sense. Like I didn't know what to expect. Like nobody told me like what it's gonna be like, and there were like 3-4 representatives from like IT companies from the town, and they were like judging my presentation. It wasn't even like university lecturers. It was like business people who like work in the field, which is kind of cool, but like I mean, I don't know, maybe it's because they can't judge their own students' works. They have to get like other parties involved. Yeah, like I don't think I can find much in Electroshock's inventory. There's like just a bunch of chip skins at the front, which I assume are your play skins. That's what I assume. And all of these, I don't know what you're doing with them. It's kind of odd. Like, why do you have so many cheap skins? Kind of confusing. Maybe you're doing something with them. Trade ups, because I remember you were doing a lot of trade ups. By the way, there's like 17 people on the stream, which is pretty big amount considering I haven't streamed in a while. And if everybody smashes the like button, there's gonna be like 10 more people joining the stream for every like. So thank you very much. Anyway, next one is Vaughn, which I assume is somebody from stream, as in like Yeppe specifically. What is your name? Like, who's Vaughn? Because I want to see. Okay, I can see. Oh, by the way, the extension works now, so I can actually sort it. It's 15,000 in inventory. That's actually huge, because I rarely have 15,000 in my inventory. I have like 10k currently, considering that I only have a portion of my money actually in the inventory. So yeah, it's not Yeppe. It's your first conference, yeah. Okay, slingshot, amazing. These are going up in price, aren't they? Like quite a bit. I mean, a lot of skins are, especially higher tier ones like gloves and so on. I think they're quite in demand currently. Like, how much is this? Manual wear. I think I need to turn off one of my extensions. I think CS. What was that? What the hell was that sound? Did you hear that? What the hell? Anyway, let me just quickly turn off the extension CS float market checker. Manage extension off. There we go. Okay, now it should be better, right? It's not gonna cover up all the writing. It still does. Is it a different thing? Steam inventory helper. Maybe that is the issue. Steam inventory helper. Okay, I don't want to remove it. I just want to turn it off. Manage extension. Yeah, there we go. Turn it off. I think I only need the trader extension. I lost an ear. Me too. I don't know what the hell was that. Okay, finally we only have this extension and now it's working properly. Okay. Expensive to cheap, 2k, 3k. Let's take a look. I'm gonna go to buff. Slingshot, I believe it was minimal wear. Yeah, slingshot minimal wear. 2.2k the actual cash price. Trade records. It does sell for that, and actually it peaked this week at quite a high price, about 10% higher, and it fell down. That's a little unexpected. But we'll see. I mean, it is a bit higher than it was recently, still. During the last month, during the last 6 months, it was way higher, with 3,300. People that paid that much got so many losses, and that was during September. Damn, that was during the release of CS2 basically. Skins just peaked and then went down like 30%. That's... Whew. I've been through all of this. I've lost so much money in investments. Honestly, investments have crashed so bad. Flipping has been okay-ish. It's kind of like stayed in the range of profitability, right? I have lost a little bit of money flipping, not too much. Overall, I maybe broke even because there were some losses. But damn, investments are not doing great. That is kind of a indication that it's a good time to invest, but honestly, I don't even have any more money. I'm still holding my investments. I have faith that they're gonna grow, especially Dust 2 packages and Rio stickers and other stickers and so on. Rio capsules, I mean. Okay, going back to this inventory, you have like a shitload of good items. I assume these are all just trading skins because there's no point in having so many knives, right? You're not playing with all of them. There's a chance that these are your play knives, but I kind of doubt it because you would have had a red knife instead of a blue one. That's just my opinion. Yeah, overall it does seem like this is a trading inventory. You have some tiny investments. Actually, I don't even know. They're all tradable. And you don't even have that many skins. Could these just be your your play skins? Could be, right? But honestly, as investments, they're not bad. It just depends when you bought them. I just hope you didn't buy them during September. How much did I lose in the crash? Like a few thousand, like 5,000 maybe. It's not crazy bad, but still. I started flipping skins in April due to your videos. Thank you. Oh, so these are your flips. And how much did you start with in April? And how far along are you? I'm asking you as if you're a pregnant lady, but yeah. How big is your inventory? I mean, I know it's 15k, but maybe you have some stuff on trading websites. But inventory is sick. Like these are prime stuff to be flipping because profit is decent, as in like you could get like 5-10% profit on this kind of flips, but they're also quite easy to sell, so that's playing in your favor. And I see you have some different crafts over here, not too many, maybe. Yeah, here's another one, $5. Ooh, this is kind of nice, $30. Okay, and you have a case hardened tier 1. Okay, maybe I should inspect it. Started with 7k euro, now I have 20k. Okay. Shit, man, that's really good. Good job. Did you check my tracking for Paris rare capsule quantities this weekend? No. Did you put it in the Discord main channel? I can just go and check it now. Okay, inspecting game. Oh, hell yeah. You need some stickers on it. Like, preferably one in the back, one here maybe, and one on the front. Or just one blue gem glitter on the front could be good enough. But it looks sick. It's probably worth quite a bit actually. It's not actually 267, it's more like 300 or 400. Maybe even 500. I'm not sure what the going rate is for tier 1s. Yeah, amazing. Okay, next one. Next one is Yeppe. Okay, Yeppe. Yeppe got a thematic inventory. Okay, 500. Okay, let's see. Expensive to cheap. 00 phase 4 factory new. Okay, that shouldn't be too hard to sell. And you might get a little overpay for it being 00 float. And phase 4 is nice overall. But you don't have that much stuff in your inventory. Just basically a couple flips, right? Just 2 big items. Which is not bad. Honestly, flipping expensive items, just 1 or 2 is fine as is. If you want to just play with them occasionally and make a profit here and there and you don't want to put too much work in, that's amazing, honestly. If you don't want to do much work, this is the perfect approach. It's Age. Okay. Interesting name. I'm not judging, I'm just stating facts. It's not loading for some reason. Huh. Why is your inventory not loading? That's odd. Huh. What the fuck? Inventory's not loading. I guess I'm gonna go to card night and come back to you later. I hope that card night's inventory opens. No. Maybe I've reached the API request limit. So I'll just give it a second and try again in in a couple minutes. Nice cut. Thank you. Just a buzz cut. I have like 3K on marketplaces and sticker investments in containers. Okay. I mean that's fair. This is like the setup I have for the TikTok live stream, and I mean it's not amazing because like it's hiding a little bit of the screen, but not too much. So yeah, TikTok live streaming is so weird because like you see the most random things, like getting 10,000 people live watching for some reason. But since I haven't streamed in so long, I've lost my streaming benefits in a way on TikTok, and now I have to start from ground zero. I have to like I have to make 2 successful live streams that last at least 1 hour, I think. Or is it 2 hours? Don't remember. I think it was 1 hour. I guess I'll find out after the stream. And after that I get like unlimited live stream stuff. Like I'm not limited to like quality and stuff like that. It's still not opening. Maybe I'll try in without the extension. Wait. Oh, I was trying in the wrong browser. Am I dumbass? Probably. Still not working in here either. I mean, yeah, makes sense. I guess I'll have to take a break. I don't know why it's not working. Is it working for you? Like, are the inventories opening? You aren't going to see anything new, lol, but you can take a peek into my silly little head from my inventory. Yeah, I want to take a peek, but it's not opening. Oh, I'm sorry. It's dumb. What the hell? Maybe I'll try to go through the Steam app. Maybe that'll work. Pricks, inventory, because there's a chance it might work. Trade offers. Come on, trade offers. And from here I can open it's Aggie. And inventory. Nope, not opening. I think it's just a server issue. Yeah, I think it's just a server issue. Shit. Different browser. Yeah, I tried Mozilla. I tried the Steam browser. It's not. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to try like in half an hour or something like that because it's not. It's not doing it. What do you think about flipping Rust skins? Yeah, I made some videos about it like a long time ago, like 3 years ago. It was one of my first videos that I made actually, and I think it's viable, right? I think it's a really good idea because the profitability range is quite big. The only problem is that you need to wait for a week to be able to sell it. Another issue is that you can't really move huge quantities this way. If you have a small inventory that's like a couple €100, maybe even a couple thousand at most, you should be able to flip Rust skins fine. Because like, look at this, 11.50, €10. I think this one wouldn't be flippable, but we can find one quite easily, I believe. And another thing is, if you have a lot of cash, right, you might be fine like investing in Rust skins because they're decent seasonal investments, right? They're fluctuating a lot. Some of them are overall growing a lot, like this one. So yeah, works for me to load inventories. You get sell and trade ban a week. Yeah, you can't sell them for a week, which sucks, but it's fine. Like that's why it has such a big margin. Yeah. I could put VPN. Yeah, but it's gonna fuck up the stream. I could put VPN to make the inventory load, but it's gonna screw up the stream, man. When you browse too much account, you get a delay for 2-3 minutes. Yep. And especially with those browser extensions, they make even more requests on your behalf, so it's even more demanding on the API. But anyway, I can maybe show you my inventory, like what I currently have and what I currently regret buying. But pretty much any skins I've bought over the last 2 weeks or so for cash have been a complete disaster. And now I'm buying skins and making quite good decisions, but before that it was not good buying skins. Everything I bought lost like 10-20%. So yeah, I'm just glad in a way that those flips that I bought, I wasn't actually flipping with a lot of money. Maybe like 2, 3, 4K. Not more than that a month, which is a small amount to flip for me. I tuned it down to this level because it was losing quite a lot. Skins were falling. And I put it into investments, which honestly, I don't know if it was a better decision because investments have also fallen, but I haven't sold any of the investments. So there's still a very high chance that they're gonna do well. Yeah, anyway. 171. Wait, what? Is that real? Wait, what? How is this 170? No, wait, what the how is this 170? Last month? Seems like it's been like that for the most part. How much was I paying for this recently? Because I bought a few of these. Did I pay a large amount? Sorry, I sent everything down by mistake. Let me quickly check this because... Wait, how much did I buy these for? Okay, Anubis packages. Okay, I was actually paying 170 for, which is fine, completely fine, honestly. It's quite a cheap price, actually insanely cheap, because during the Paris major they were like 2.2 euros, maybe 2 euros at the lowest. But now 170 after the Paris major, amazing. It's amazing prices. I mean, we do know that not Paris, but like the Anubis souvenir collection is gonna be reintroduced in March or sometime. When is the next tournament? I think in spring. So yeah, there's a chance that prices are not gonna do well soon, but I hope to be able to sell them before that. Oh, there's browser plugins for VPN. I didn't realize that. I think Mozilla has one. Anyway, let's attempt it again. Hopefully it works. Inventory. I don't know, man. Like, it could be another issue. Could be another issue, honestly. Let me know if the stream lags, because some reason TikTok stream told me that high computer load detected. And my memory is like 0.5% usage, CPU 0.8%. I mean, from TikTok specifically. Well, I guess we're not seeing Cole's inventory, even though he wanted it really bad. Sorry, man. Sorry, everyone else. Streamer like Yone uses. Yeah, makes sense. I should probably try that. Hey, what's up, Mihai? How much are the Paris capsules at? At the absolute lowest. At the absolute lowest. Contenders Paris. They are currently 137, and I bought mine for like 145, 150, something like that. So it's not like too bad, right? Still kind of fine. It's like 10% down maybe. So it's not a huge bad thing, right? But still, it's not great. It's still in negative. Another thing is that you could technically move your money from Buff to Steam with quite profitable amounts using these capsules, because you can just sell them for 27 cents. Isn't that like 32% after tax? Let's see, 27 cents divided by Actually, no, we're not gonna do that divided by. I'm just gonna put 24 cents because I know for a fact if you sell for 27 cents on Steam, you get 24/7 exactly on your Steam balance. And divided that by 0.18, that's 33% growth. So buying and selling these capsules on Steam, you get 33% growth. That's not even bad considering that so many items are actually pretty profitable to flip from Steam to buff nowadays, right? It wasn't in a few weeks ago. You know what? I'm gonna do that. I have 58. Never mind. I have 58 balance. That's not amazing. Maybe I'll cancel some stuff. Like, I was trying to get some balance card stickers. Let's see. Maybe I can change the price here. Or maybe not change the price because I feel like I have the highest quantity. If somebody wants to sell a lot, they're gonna sell to me. They're gonna ignore all the other ones. Or just they're gonna get filled so quickly that mine is gonna be next. But I'm still gonna cancel it and put it again 15.3, but instead of 100 I'm gonna put 50, and I'm gonna try to move the rest of the money into Steam and see how that goes. 15.3, 50 pieces. Okay, wonderful. And I also really want to check buff on Google Chrome because I think I have the extension that shows you how good it is. Camera has delay. Oh, camera has delay to the sound, does it? That's not great. Actually, not great. How big is the delay? Is it like noticeable? Like hugely noticeable? Because the way I am streaming is I'm using this app. I'm using this app to show my screen to the computer, and then from this app it's redirecting to OBS and to TikTok. So maybe that's the reason. Why don't you use the pay later option? Because if you don't have any more balance on your account to fill those orders, then the thing doesn't get filled. No. Wait. If you don't have balance enough, the buy orders get cancelled. That's why. I mean, it's kind of useful, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to use it. Because at first I was reluctant to use it because I was thinking that people are gonna feel that whenever there is a distinction between the like, you can actually see on the buyer what they are paying with. See, these people are pay later, basically. These buy orders are like pay later. But there's buy orders that are directly with Alipay. Like this one. It's directly with Alipay. And I thought at first that maybe when people see that it's directly with Alipay and not like pay later, they would prefer the ones with Alipay directly. But I think I was wrong completely, because if you don't have the balance to fill those orders, then you kind of just automatically cancel the buy orders. I didn't know that was a thing. On Steam, that's not a thing. So I was thinking that it was going to be like on Steam, but it's not. So yeah. Also, we have like 20 people on live stream. Thank you very much for joining. But I think it's actually a good idea to use it. So tomorrow or tonight, I'm gonna switch the buy orders onto the pay later version, and that way I'm gonna be able to place a lot more buy orders. Hey, what's up, Wojtek? How you doing, man? How's it going? Okay. So our goal right now is to see if we can find an item that we can transport from Steam to buff balance with a great increase in not great increase. Basically, we can transfer from Steam balance to buff and make a profit. I think we're looking for a minus 23%. I'm gonna put it as I'm gonna limit the maximum 823 RMB, 2 euros. Or did it already say that? Oh, it already says that. Oh, wait, never mind. 100 euro at most. Okay. And it seems I have a sale. Let me just quickly go do that as well. So I need to find an item that has minus 23% or less. Well, technically more. Minus 23 upwards to 0. So, minus 24 could be an option. Because if we can find that, that makes it really profitable. Like, really profitable. 26%, 24%. That's getting closer. I think that takes into account the current buy orders, right? So, if we take the price of 29.20 and the price on buff on Steam, that is 37.80. 37.80. Okay. Wait, I think I had a simulation for this. Yeah, let me just go use that because I don't want to calculate it by hand. 27.80 we purchase it. And we sell it for 29.20. That would be a... No, wait. Am I dumb? Oh, 37.80. I put 27.80. That would be amazing. But, okay. It's 25%, 25% losing. That would be a negative 3% on my money. Which is not terrible, considering that I'm making like 8% going into Steam. So losing 3% is not too bad. But I would like to not lose anything by going from Steam to buff. So that's not an ideal item. Okay, let me get to the chat. Haven't seen you for a long time. Yeah, I haven't streamed for a month and a half. How doing? I'm doing good, thank you. I've decided to try and make a video for every day in December, so hopefully that goes well. And I mean, not a video technically, but some form of content, because yesterday I made a short, today I'm making a stream, and tomorrow I'm uploading a video that I'm almost finished with. So yeah. I hope that's gonna go well. And yeah, we can keep looking for some other items. Okay, we know we can transport buff balance into Steam fairly profitable, right? Now the hard part is finding something that's gonna yield us a good result going from Steam to buff. Buy orders on low liquidity items to do Steam to buff is great, but can take some time. Yeah, if you want to move a big quantity, it's probably not a good idea. I mean, it still works, but in large quantities, it's just hard. %. It's better than it was a couple weeks ago, because back then you could not transform Steam balance into buff in any profitable way or shape or form. Now it's getting a little better, and that's good. 24% on the case hard. That sounds pretty good, because you can actually get tier 1s, tier 2s, and so on. I feel like that might be actually a good option. Is flipping going good? I have lost like 5% from my portfolio in the last 2 months. 5% is actually pretty good. Consider yourself successful, because that's not much to lose, considering the market went down like 30%. So good job. Okay, selling this thing for 17.85, and then I would be buying it for how much? Let's take a look. 23.70. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. 23.71. We plug numbers in, and that yields us a loss of 5%. I mean, 5% when we consider that Steam balance is 25% less valuable than buff. So I'm already considering the fact that Steam balance is less valuable by 25%. So on top of that, we're losing 5%. So it's not great. Mr. Worldwide, yes. Yes. I don't think that market is going down anymore. Yeah, I made a short yesterday just showing that it's actually doing pretty good currently. In the last week or so, lots of skins have gone up, sometimes by 5-10%. Which is great. Honestly, love it. That's really what I was waiting for, and maybe the thing that's gonna kick the market into more growth. People are gonna come back to CS:GO and get more trust, gain more trust into skins and start flipping and investing again, or just buying skins overall. 15%, 9%. Interesting. Are these low quantity items? Yeah, they are. But honestly, if they work, why not? Do they actually sell? I mean, yeah, they do. Okay, so 630. It's kind of hopeful, kind of out there, but potentially get it for 630. I mean, not get it, but sell it for 630. Okay, and on Steam, how much would we pay? 742, 743. Okay, that's good. We gained 2%. We gained 2% by flipping this item from Steam to Buff at this price, 743. Okay, that would be nice. Chances are that in a week it's not gonna be exactly that profitable, but we can hope. So, okay, we found an item. I'm gonna proceed to go and buy some capsules and sell them on Steam. Now that might take some time. Maybe I don't even need to go and buy capsules. Like, let's take a look at what else is out there, because we might find some skins that I could flip from Buff to Steam and that aren't even capsules, because capsules are a little hard to sell currently. There's like 9,000 other capsules in queue to sell for 28 cents. Or 27, yeah, 27. When GTA 6 releases, it is gonna crash skins. I mean, I think that's quite likely, yeah, actually. I missed the short, going to watch it now. Okay, thank you. When everybody starts getting good PCs, player base will increase, I guess. Not that radically, because like, yeah, it's common for people to still have bad PCs, and with time they're gonna get better PCs, and CS2 is not gonna be as demanding comparing to the PCs that people have, but it's quite rare for people to have bad PCs nowadays, I feel like. I mean, I know there's people from countries that make less money than European countries, but still. Hey, what's up, Joycey? I feel like the player base keeps getting older and older, and people can afford to get nice PCs. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna buy this for $27.92, about $27.95. This is gonna go from cash to Steam. Okay, so get it for $27.95, and I'm gonna sell it for $43.50. $43.50 equals $43.50 divided by 115. That's $37.82, and that's a growth of 35%, aka 8% profit. So we're getting 8% profit one way and 2% profit the other way. I think that's good, right? I think that's really good. Let's try. So I'm gonna put a buy order for 216. How much is that? 28. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna put a buy order for 216. Pay after supply. Okay. You can just bulk buy, you know? No, but that's not about it. I can buy the capsules easily, right? I can bulk buy them. But on Steam, for me to sell them, I need to wait for 9,000 capsules to sell in queue, right? There's like 9,000 for sale already for the price that I plan to sell. So it's gonna take a few hours till mine starts selling. But this way, I have a chance of selling them quite a bit quicker. And this getaway sale is actually more profitable to move from Buff to Steam than the capsules. So why not? I just found a better solution, and that's faster and more profitable. May I ask you about how are you doing with flipping? How much loss do you have because of crash? Like, I've moved quite a bit of my money into investments. I've flipped with minimal money in the last few months. and because of that, my profits slash losses haven't been big with the flipping, but I've lost quite a bit from investments going down. So that's that. Like, I feel like it might have been a better decision for me to stay in flipping with all of my money for this time being while the investments were crashing, and I would have been better off, I think. But yeah. But there were some other things that I had to figure out, so it was a little hard. Okay, this one I could get for 592. Okay, 592, and then on Steam, how much can I sell it for? 1059. What? Really? I mean, it sells for 1059, so why would I not sell it for that? Okay, if I put 1040 as a potential sale price, how much is that? That would be 52% growth. So even 924 is already good, right? If we're just not optimistic at all, yeah, it's already good. 35% profit, and I could actually sell for 1050. Whew! No way. This is good. I'm gonna place some buy orders. 4560. Please don't copy these buy orders. Like, if you want to do the same thing, you can get the extension and find items yourself. But I would be very glad if if you didn't copy the exact same items, because that would make my life a little harder. Now it will only get better, hopefully. I mean, the start of the year was so good that I cannot complain, right? It's always like this, right? It gets really good and then it's really bad in the CSGO market, CS2 market. I can't stop saying CSGO instead of CS2. I keep saying it by accident, like videos and so on. And I mean, I understand people probably know that it's not like that easy to forget CS2, CSGO. This item, 39%. Really? Does it even sell on Steam though? I mean, sells almost every single day. But like, for how much? 142. I feel like 142 is a quite realistic sale price. Okay. 142 is sell. And what's the buy orders like? 94 is selling. Buy order is 92.50. Well, more like 93. 32%, 6% profit. It's not that good, honestly. If I was moving a lot of money to Steam, then maybe that's a good idea, but as is, probably not best. I just sold a USPS Pathfinder. Let me just go deliver it. Why not buff to other marketplaces? One thing is you can't really move okay, you can move from buff to other marketplaces, but you can't really get like 6-8% profit, maybe 10% profit doing so easily, right? You could technically on Skinport, but then the money goes to your bank account, and then if we have to start paying VAT from next year, then it's not great, right? I would rather get 10% flipping to Steam and not have to pay VAT, right? Yeah, I'm getting confused. Like, there is still a chance that we might have to pay VAT for this year, and I'm fine with that. You pay VAT? Not yet, but chances are that people are gonna have to pay in 2024. Like, because the payment provider that Skinport uses, like, got some new, like, regulation and stuff like that. Value-added tax, yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna place a buy order for the knife. We're just gonna skip that one. Gonna try to find something else. The glove, that's not bad. Oh, this knife, Shadow Dagger's Autotronic. I feel like that could be good. but maybe not that good. Let's see, the buy orders 89, 88, and 88.20 I could buy, and then I could sell it for. I feel like it doesn't even sell for that much. 134 maybe. Yeah, I feel like I could sell it for 134. So let's test it out. Buying it for 88.2. Okay, 6% profit. So it's about the same as the last one, and this one's actually much easier to sell. So I could consider this. Maybe I'll put a buy order. 680. 680. That's 88.29. Amazing. And I'm paying with pay after supply, so I can put more buy orders. But like no, I mean, yeah, it could happen. Like I've seen some messages like from the Skinport people, and they think that it's going to happen. So if it happens, it happens. Honestly, it's not that huge of a deal. I'll just pay, and there's that. It does mean that show us the messages. Like a guy sent me some messages that he exchanged. Like I'm not gonna show them. It wasn't like anything specific. It was more like if you use like Skimport because of the payment provider, like you are going to have to pay VAT. That's what I saw basically. It's impossible to flip while paying VAT. It is possible because you can actually get the information of where the buyers are located, and if the buyers are not located in the European Union, that means that you don't pay VAT for those sales. And for me, I've calculated like 55% of the sales in terms of volume of money actually goes to European countries. So when you take that into account, it's no longer 21% that you have to pay VAT. It's more like 10, 11, 12% when you take into account the whole rotation of money that you flip. That's in that way, it's actually possible to profit. Meaning that as long as the money that leaves your account till the moment that enters your account again, if you make at least 13% profit on that money, that means you have the VAT covered for that rotation. Everything above those 12-13 profit percentages is the actual profit that you're making. So it makes it less profitable, but it makes it possible. I would say it makes it very hard, like very hard, meaning that if you only have a little bit of money, you're gonna grow super slowly. So yeah, if you have a lot of money to flip with, then it's better. And there is different things you could do to avoid it, but yeah, I don't think that's worth talking about. Also VAT here in Portugal. Yeah, but you pay the VAT of the country that buys from you. So if people buy from Malta, you pay 15% or however much Malta VAT is. It's based on the country that buys from you, not what your country is. You pay the country VAT if you don't know where the person is from, but you can actually find out. Skimport is gonna suffer with that though. Most people will be flipping other methods. Yeah, I agree with you, 100%. But it's their choice to not change payment providers. They could easily change a payment provider to something that's maybe less secure or more sketchy, like from Saudi Arabia, some payment provider, or somewhere from I don't know, like a country that is usually used to like avoid regulations and so on. They could easily switch to that and make the life easier for people, but I think they just want to cover themselves so that they're fine, legally speaking, because they do make like millions of euro profit per month. Yeah, anyway, I was looking at this item. There's only 12 for sale, so probably not gonna be a good flip. Ah, 43 euro for this one. 43.25. I could get it. Let's see. If I get it for 43.25, how much do I need to sell it for? 60, 70. How much can I sell it? I think 68 is actually sellable here. 68. That would be a 9% profit after the conversion. Okay, okay. That's not bad, actually. No, don't mind if I put a buy order. Did you pick up a lot of skins during the crash? I mean, yeah, I'm always buying, really, and it's no different. I buy during crash and during not crash, and always. Sometimes I lose money, sometimes I profit. That's basically it. But whatever money I have, yeah, I'm trying to buy items now. Right now, I'm basically just experimenting with transferring money from Buff to Steam and vice versa. Because it's quite a decent way to move skins and profit. And if you're just playing with skins, this way you actually get to have them in your inventory for like a week and play with them, which is amazing. Also, just so you know, I do plan on continuing to stream every Tuesday, Saturday at 5, sometimes at 7 p.m. GMT plus 3. I'm gonna announce it. I'm gonna try to be responsible and announce it on Discord in the day that I have the stream, at what time I have it. You just join the Discord and you enroll yourself into the Stream Squad role that you get on the roles channel. Let's see, Monday 4th. I'm gonna be available to stream on Monday, Saturday 9th. That should be fine. Monday 11th should be fine. Saturday 16th should be fine. Monday 18th should be fine. Saturday 23 also should be fine. 19, 26, I'm not sure, maybe. And then 30th also should be fine. So hopefully the entire month I can stream, because I would like to upload some content every single day of the month. So you can find that on my channel. Do you think long-term liquid glitters from Paris would catch up in price to Antwerp version? Of course, supply is massive, but it's way better than Antwerp and Rio version. Yes, but with a condition. Only if the next tournament capsules are gonna be different, right? Maybe they just stop producing the same like design or same like type of stickers, right? Maybe they just stop producing like glitters, foils, golds. Maybe they produce something else like entirely new. Chances are they won't, but if that happens, it benefits a lot. But even the slightest thing as design change is gonna be massive. If they stop producing the same Stockholm stickers, then we're good. Prices are gonna go up. Also, how are you doing at work, pricks? I don't have work. I mean, I didn't get a job, so I'm just doing this, flipping on YouTube now, and I'm gonna try to, as I said, make a video every single day. Okay, going back to this, I don't have much time left. I'm gonna actually end the stream very soon, because I plan on streaming for 1 hour instead of 2 or 3. And streams are gonna be quite short, but I'm gonna show you some of my flipping, some of my investments, and just talk to you and respond to some questions. So we're actually out of time now. How much are your expenses? About like 1,000. I thought you got a few months ago. I did have an interview, but yeah. But yeah, it's okay. I'll see you in my next stream, and also I'll see you tomorrow in a video that I'm gonna upload. And yeah, I wish you to have a good rest of the evening, and I'll see you very soon. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you for joining.